Money roll, yeah, I'm looking at the bank statements, I do not want to jail, yeah, nuts with my gang, you be just a stain, cover on my chain.
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day as usual. Now, since this channel has started, I've always wanted to do a reaction video to the size comparison of things within the universe. I love space, guys. I've been a fan since I've been a kid. Always just wanted to look up at the night sky and just admire the beauty of it. I have a few tattoos of stars myself. Like I said, the night sky to me is just beautiful. Probably one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen while living on this earth. So I've always kind of just been interested in space, time, relativity, Albert Einstein's theory of that stuff, Kardashian scale, everything in terms of space. So whenever I have a moment, I kind of just like to look up at the sky and just wonder like what else is out there, because I know in terms of the earth that there has to be something else out there. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I don't want to sit here and tell you guys what I think it is or whatever. I just want to enjoy this and sit back and relax. So hope you guys are down to watch this video. Let's jump right into it. But guys, before we start this video, I want to do a few predictions on what we're going to see in the video. So my prediction is the biggest star within the galaxy that we know of is Canis Majoris. Betelgeuse being the second biggest. I'm not sure what order they're in, so those are my predictions. Like I said, Canis Majoris, the biggest star. Betelgeuse, the second biggest star. The brightest star, I think, is Rigel or Sirius. I'm not sure which one. Again, I used to look these things up all the time. Just go through documentaries and read articles about like some of these things. And to this day, they're still discovering new things out within space. You know, none of this is set in stone or in concrete. Things are always changing. So in a few years, I might have to do another video on this because things may have changed, you know. What we have now, the knowledge we have now, may change sometime in the future. So, like I said, guys, those are just like my few predictions on what we're going to see in this video, but I may be wrong. So let's jump right into it, guys. Alright, let's do this, guys. Thank you for exploring the universe with me. Always a pleasure. I just feel like being a part of this universe is just something so cool, especially since we are conscious living beings within this universe and we actually have like some sort of knowledge about this universe. It's just cool. Because I mean, us being humans, we're not different from the universe. We are a part of the universe, you know? Oh, we got Mars. Yeah. I didn't know Mars was that small, you know? It's probably the smallest planet within the solar system then. Look at Kepler. It's just so blue. Like, I just love how beautiful it is. I guess Neptune's like that, right? Yeah, look at that. Now I think Neptune and Uranus, they both have some of the craziest like storms in terms of wind and the velocity. You wouldn't want to be on any of those planets, let's just say it like that. That's just within the solar system though, not the universe. I also believe a few of the moons around Saturn and Jupiter have water. I think they are Europa and Titan. They're believed to have liquid oceans, so that's cool. I mean, we don't have the technology to even go there, but it's just cool that there might be life two places within our solar system. I mean, look at our sun. I mean, that's our home, right? Okay, guys, Sirius A. So I'm not sure if it is the brightest sun within our universe yet, but I think Rigel's gonna be bigger than it. So Vega. I'll have to look that up. What's the brightest star within our vision, or pretty much our how far we could see out? Like, it's probably Rigel. It has to be. Like, look how much bigger Rigel is than Sirius, right? That's unreal. Unreal. Beetlejuice. So there goes another one of my theories out the window. Beetlejuice is not the second biggest star that we know of. Canis Majoris. I thought that was the biggest star that we know of. Obviously, I'm wrong, but it was a good guess, I guess. Sakti. And then, like, that's a black hole, so I guess it's just crazy, right? The crazy thing about black holes too is light pulls them in, so nothing could escape their gravitational pull, and they're just so hard to see because they're blackness, right? So nebulas are super cool. I mean, next time you look at someone's eyes, they look like a nebula, which is kind of really awesome, you know? Just the scale of things is like, wow. Orion's Nebula. I mean, we're getting into galaxies at this point. This is just crazy, right? These are light years across. Like, it would take light 150 years to travel across. It's just like, jeez. And that's the fastest thing we know of so far. I mean, you're getting into, like, there we are, the Milky Way galaxy, you know? Andromeda's got to be up there too, I'm guessing. Booty's Void, that's something that's very important. Like, at this point, we don't even know what that is, you know? Wow, guys, a lot of cool things on that video. Like I said, the Booty's Void is just a void out in space that's so big that theoretically there should be stars or some sort of like radiation or something that's within that space, you know? But there's nothing there, so it's like, how could there be such an empty space within the universe? There obviously have to be something within that space, you know what I mean? So a lot of cool information, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna have to look up what's the brightest star. It still might be Sirius, you know, even though Sirius is a lot smaller than Rigel, it still might be brighter, but I'm gonna have to look that up. Canis Majoris is not the biggest star that we know of. Sakti is, so I think they just recently found that out, because I used to watch these videos all the time, and Canis Majoris was the #1 star, but looks like we discovered another bigger star, so that's cool as well. Like I said, guys, I'm just so intrigued by the universe, so intrigued by space itself, space-time, nebulas, supernovas, hypernovas, neutron stars, whatever it is. I really just love all that stuff. I just love learning as much as I can about it, because I feel like I said, we are a part of that, you know? Although we're just living on this pale blue dot, we're a part of it, you know what I mean? And we're experiencing it. So it was just, I'm gracious to have just went through that reaction video with you guys. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know why you guys love space, or do you even love space? Is it scary to you? Is it something that you're interested? Let me know in the comment section. But like always, guys, take care of yourself, stay safe, and most importantly, guys, peace.